Hey, what up, gang?
Welcome back to our channel. It is time for another Munchies Monday. And if you don't know who I am, I'm Megan.
I'm Rob.
This is Robert. And welcome to our channel. If you haven't been here before, go on and hit the subscribe button because you're gonna subscribe to this.
Obviously.
Hit the like button because this video is obviously gonna be awesome. And go watch our other videos. Share this with your friends. Hit the bell notification so you get notified when we post. It's on Mondays, Munchy Monday. And let's get started with this video.
All right, so today we're making some
Hissy Fit Taco Dip.
Hissy Fit Taco Dip.
From Plain Chicken on Pinterest.
Yeah, it's gonna bust. All right, so what we're gonna start with is preheating the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Megan's gonna be stepping out of the camera a lot this time because she's currently browning the beef over there, all right? I'm going to shred a cup of Munster cheese. Yeah, because I don't know if you guys are cheese connoisseurs out there, but that stuff's good. Anyway, so while that's heating up, we're gonna spray this pan.
Yes.
There you go, baby girl. And then she's browning the beef. After the beef gets browned, we're gonna add some taco seasoning, some rotel. There's taco seasoning right there.
10 ounces of the tomatoes with green chili rotel, not plain.
That's that good stuff. Boom, boom. All right, and then we're gonna mix the taco meat with Velveeta cheese, the cup of Munster. Am I saying that right?
Munster?
Is it Munster or Munster?
Munster.
We'll just call it Monster cheese. There we go. So once the beef is browned and the chilies and the seasoning is all mixed together, then we're going to put that in the dish. We're going to add the Velveeta, the Munster,
16 ounces of sour cream,
16 ounces of sour cream,
and then 8 ounces of Velveeta. It could be shredded or cubed. The recipe said that the shredded was easier to work with.
So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna mix it all up in this bowl actually, and then we're going to move it to the sprayed pan. All right, you guys just hang out for a second. I'm gonna shred a cup of cheese, which is going to be ridiculous, but we do it for the fans. All right, you're welcome.
So he is straining it real quick because I don't have the muscles and I'm left-handed, so it makes it really hard for me to use our utensils. Yay. So when we buy taco seasoning, we buy it in bulk because we make tacos so often. So it called for 1 package, which is typically 4 pounds of beef. You're gonna wanna turn that down, yeah.
I did.
I thought you turned it off. And so for 1 pound of meat, it wants 2/3 cups water and 1/4 cup taco seasoning. We're not using the water part of this because it doesn't want us to drain the chilies and tomatoes. It's using the liquid from this as the water. So we just need 1/4 cup of taco seasoning mix.
Ooh. Rotel's ready.
And then it wants you to simmer for a couple minutes. It doesn't say how many, just a couple. Just let it simmer kind of like you would with a normal taco seasoning. Sneezing.
Sneezing. A sneezing.
I
All
love
right,
the
let's
smell.
look at it right now. Boom, boom. Yeah, y'all see it. Delicious.
I wonder if this is going to taste a lot like rotel dip. You know, when you just do the Velveeta, the meat, and the tomatoes, but with like an extra kick because of the Munster, and then also you're adding the sour cream in it, so it's going to be like
there's usually not
creamier.
there's usually way more Velveeta than what we're gonna be putting in here, so it'll be cool to see.
It won't be as liquidy. It'll be more of a like hearty. Is that the word? Dip.
Thick.
Yeah.
Thick.
With 3
C's.
C's.
Thick. Okay, let's just go ahead and let that simmer down a little bit. So we add that mixture in here first before we add the cheese into it, right?
Yes, I would do that because if we put the cheese on the bottom and put that on top, it's going to start melting and it's just going to melt in a clump. And I feel like if we sprinkle it on top while we stir, it'll incorporate it easier. I already have a spoon. Ow! She doesn't like the fame.
All right, what comes next?
Okay, it's on your phone.
You know the password. I'm not gonna say it out loud.
Oh, my face is itchy now. Oh, that was bad. Drain the fat. Taco seasoning. Cook for 2 to 3. Oh, I guess it did say cook until. The other recipe, there were like two different. There was like written recipe and step by step. The step by step says 2 to 3 until the liquid is absorbed.
Okay, well it's pretty absorbed.
Okay.
I think it'll be all right.
Okay, in a large bowl, mix together the taco meat and the remaining ingredients and pour into the prepared pan, which we do have. So I'm gonna tilt you down again so you can see all of that in the MeagKenzie.
All right, I'm gonna borrow this spoon.
Yes, that's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stand over here. You see that? Oh yeah, plop, plop, plop. About to buzz, buzz, buzz. You know what I'm saying? Just kidding. You guys don't know what
There
that
was
means.
quite a bit more liquid than I thought.
Yeah, it'll still buzz. We'll
And
figure it
then
out.
as I'm stirring, if you want to add cheese,
Okay.
that way it's not clumping up. We'll go a little at a time so it's incorporated evenly.
We will go Velveeta. Mix, woman. Ah,
I'm making a huge mess.
make a mess. That's what we do this for.
Stir like a child.
Monster. Ooh,
It's really
Ooh.
thin.
very soft too. Yeah.
I mean, I guess it was shredded here, so it's gonna feel a little thinner.
Well, I tried to do the thick shred. It'll be all right. Here, do we want a little bit more? Just for the...
Because I like extra cheesy, yes. Here it is so far, looking super goopy messy. Love it.
Love to see it. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that got thick.
You ready?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, mess. All right. A little bit more extra monster cheese.
Get it. Get in there.
Plop.
Oh, I did not like that.
Oh, you know what that sounds like?
Macaroni in a pot.
Please don't start. I guess I set you up for that though, so I can't say please don't start.
It's smelling really good. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
So what now?
Now we transfer it to the 9x9, or in our case,
8 by 8.
8.25, and then we bake it for
30 to 40 minutes. We have to cover it. I remember
Covered.
that. Yeah.
so tinfoil.
Yes. It's shiny side down. Fun fact for those of you who
Don't listen
know,
to this. Don't listen to it.
It's a thing. When you cook with your aluminum foil, the shiny side is supposed to be down so that it helps it cook. Instead, if it's shiny side up, it's going to reflect the heat rays, reflect it away, and it won't cook as fast. So you're supposed to go shiny side down of your tin foil.
I think she can, but
So
you missed the mix right there. Come on.
this is why I never mix.
Yeah. Well.
So we're covering this, and then it cooks for 30 minutes to 40 minutes until it is bubbly. Is that what it
I
says?
believe that is what it says. Bake until bubbly. Serve with tortilla chips, corn chips, or celery. Ew.
I don't know why this would go good with celery sticks.
Ew.
I know. I don't like celery in the first place, though.
Gross. And this can be refrigerated. You don't. What? You guys didn't see that.
So we're gonna cook, and then when it's done, we will be back to show you the final result, taste test it, and give you our final thoughts. Hey, we're back. We have it. We put it in for 33 minutes originally, and then added 4 because it was starting to bubble, but wasn't completely bubbled yet, so we wanted to make sure it was good and gooey. So actually, I'm gonna tilt you down for this reveal.
My goodness. Wait. Let's center it up. It's so suspenseful.
Oh my gosh. That is bubbling around the edges. Should we stir it, you think, to mix in all the juice and stuff?
There is no way I'm gonna eat that right now.
It's kind of spicy, hot.
Yeah, it's specific.
But there's, I don't know if you can see this bubble right here. Oh, you can't. It's in the corner.
Tragically. Well,
there's a good little bubble going. Oh,
we'll be back in
so
5
good.
minutes once we give it some time to cool down, all
It
right?
looks so good. Bye. Okay, so we're back. We couldn't wait any longer. I was getting really impatient because it just, there we go.
Sure.
It just looks so good. So we're gonna try it. It's probably still super hot, but
Oh, guaranteed.
oh. Ready?
Not really.
Ting.
Cheers.
Oh, there's the steam.
Not super hot. That's really good. Oh my God.
Make this every weekend. Make it for game days. Make it for parties. Make it for snacks. Make it for munchies.
Make it for the munchies. Because
Make
you know
it-
what it is?
Because it's your birthday. Make it because it's someone's birthday. Just make it. This is my favorite munchie we've made.
Let's back up a second. I don't taste anything special aside from any other cheese dip.
I'm a dip person.
I don't taste anything different from any other cheese dip, all right?
This is my favorite. Try it. Let us know what you think of it when you try it.
As far as cheese dips go, I'm going
He's not a dip
going
person. He has
7,
admitted that he's not a
7
dip
or 8.
person. He doesn't
No.
like to make dips. This is a one-off.
It's not
I
really my
finally
thing.
admitted, got him to do a dip with me. So good. 10 out of 10. Dare I say 11 out of 10. Try it.
You're absolutely bizarre.
And also, we were talking while we weren't filming. If you have leftover breakfast burritos with this,
You could probably just do any burrito with it. But
just a thought.
that's the episode.
If you've made it to the end of this and you haven't subscribed, subscribe.
Yeah,
I'm
honestly,
watching you.
You're whacked if you haven't subscribed yet.
Subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Deuces.